So we are back. I got everything off. I've got some studs and shit I gotta replace, but we're doing the inner and outer tie rods and coilovers. So you can tell these are shot. I had to spray WD-40 on everything, trying to loosen everything up so it's easier to get. But I got inner and outer tie rods, the coilovers, and I've got rear traction arms and camber arms. Spray some WD-40 on those, make it a little bit easier. I'm gonna try to be a little more educational, I guess, on this one and do it step by step. But right now I'm just showing y'all it's pretty fucked up. I'm gonna have to spray some more brake cleaner and get everything cleaned off a little more. But these are the coilovers that springs that we're taking out, and the coilovers are going in, and inner and outer tie rods. Already did front bushings and sway bar links, and we're doing the rear sway bar and the rear coilover and traction arms and camber arms. So I got everything off, and I'm letting the WD-40 sit on everything. I need to get more brake cleaner to try cleaning this off a little more, but yeah, it's pretty bad. But after we get all this done, also had to take out the battery because the battery's dead, and I got to replace the alternator right there. Got to replace it, so I got to take it out, replace it. Oh yeah, I had somebody ask me how much oil was in here. A lot. It's pretty nasty. Probably need to take that off and clean it out. But this has been working pretty good. I also have to do an oil change. I got the filter and oil that I got to do, and I got to do alternator, battery, cooler. There's a lot to do, so this might be a multi-part video. I don't know. We'll just went out. It took forever. You just got to pull the pin and take the crown lock off, push that bitch out. You got to hit it with a hammer a lot. But since I'm taking it out, I'm not going to twist it at all. I marked it just in case anything happens, so I can just put these right next to each other and just line them up and put them in. Like you can tell, that one's shot. This one's not too bad, but I'm just go ahead. I already got a brand new one, so I might as well replace it. I don't know if these have been replaced. It looks like they have. They're not too bad, but they are cracked all along here. So even if they have been replaced, still going ahead and replacing them. Don't really care. I got two inner and outer brand new ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and do those. That bitch is loose. That's fucking awful. I do need to do this, but I don't know when I'm gonna do it. I probably should soon, but we're gonna throw these coilovers in. So now I'm gonna take out the back one and I'll show y'all. So we got the alternator out. We're cleaning the block. Got an alternator, belt, battery. Cleaning the bottom of the block because it's caked in oil.
Oh, did you show them that side? What's missing?
Oh yeah.
What's missing down there? Did you get
right there? My steering rack.
What's missing?
Look at all of that oil, bro. That is awful. Oh man. Y'all can see it right there. Yeah, I got oil everywhere. Bro, that's cold too. That one's empty? Shit. Bolts right there on a bracket. Take them out. You gotta take them out. Now we putting these hoes in. Look at them hoes. About to put these in.
It's like I'm holding the Olympic torch.
Those are clean, bro.
So clean.
Finished both sides now. Sway bar links, you need to take those off. You got to take that bracket off and the bolts off. That's pretty obvious. And then you will be good to go to set them in. Mine, the way I aligned my coilovers was actually pretty bad. Where's the thing? The bolt, bro. I don't know. But I took a socket and I just put it in between there. And now they're both the exact same. Bro, that's bad. That's awful. But yep, those are in. This is gonna sit really low, bro. That's pretty much where it's at. So it's gonna be low, man. But yeah, so This is gonna be the final part of this video, but we got everything installed. The alignment's good. Tires are sitting really flush, but we got the shocks installed, all the coilovers, got the camber and the traction on them, all the new stuff. Might lower it a little bit in the rear, so just sitting like in the front, but I forgot to update y'all, but that's what it's sitting like on these rims. I gotta clean it. Still gotta get the paint fixed. That's the interior right now. Gotta get the new door hinges. Put the door handle. Man, guys, I'm tired, but got all that done. So I gotta tell, there's a lot to get done with this car, but lots more to come, and that's that for this. New tie rods, inner and outer end. It's fully aligned. That's what it's gonna look like once I get the paint fixed, but y'all can see the difference. So that's what it's gonna look like once I get the paint fixed on it. So hopefully I can get that done soon. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. It's riding really smooth. Just gotta finish up on the interior and we're good to go. But forgot to keep updating y'all. I had a lot to get done, so. But more videos are gonna be pushed out. I'm just having this as like a closer. But yeah, more to come. So I will keep y'all updated. Peace.